Hey guys, it's the Ecombo here. This video is going to trigger a lot of people, but I have to do it because I am tired of seeing so many people getting scammed by this ridiculous business model. Sellers, buyers, everybody's getting scammed, only a few profit. So let's talk about this. Dropshipping is an amazing business model where you only have to find a product, set up a shop, put some ads, and start collecting passive income. You don't have to worry about inventory space or shipping any products because the supplier will do all of that for you. You only need to show the product to the people and convince them to buy. The internet is plagued with gurus trying to sell you this dream and of course selling you their dropshipping course. But I am going to tell you what they don't. Starting with the problems of dropshipping. The way they teach you to do dropshipping is you go to AliExpress, find a product, look at the reviews, make a Shopify store, import the products, import all of the reviews. By the way, those reviews are mostly fake, and put the products on social media and start spending money on ads. Now, the first problem that I see with this is that you have never touched the product. You don't know the quality of this product. You are selling something that you don't know if it's even good, that you wouldn't even use. Just because you see a crappy product with 4.5 stars and trending on AliExpress doesn't mean that it's gonna sell. And don't be naive because 100 other people have seen that product and they are trying to do the same thing that you're trying to do. Yes, including the supplier. But let's assume that you are the first person to find this product and not even the manufacturer is trying to sell their own product, so you have no competition. You make your website, you import the products, and then you start the marketing process. Let me tell you that the chances of making a banger video and getting sales right off the bat with your ads are extremely slim. Most likely you're gonna have to make a lot of creatives and start testing with different audiences until you find something that actually starts converting. And if you're lucky, you're gonna start getting some conversions and pray that the markup that you're putting on that product is enough to actually pay Facebook for the ads. Yeah, sure, you have no risk. Let me tell you that sounds to me like you're just a salesman and you're carrying all the risk. But congratulations, you got a sale. Now the supplier is gonna take care of everything and you only have to relax and enjoy the passive income. But 2 weeks later, when you're chilling at the beach, you receive an email from an angry customer saying that it has been 3 weeks and his item hasn't arrived yet. When you check the tracking number, you see that the item has left Shanghai, but you don't have any more information and you have no idea when this item will be delivered. So you tell your customer to chillax and wait because the item is almost there. 1 week later, you're hit with a chargeback. Now you lost the money that you spent on the product, the money that you spent on Facebook ads, and also you're getting a $15 chargeback fee. But let's assume that the customer is extremely patient and he waits for the product to arrive. Now he checks and the quality of this product is nothing like the video that he saw, so he wants to return it. And of course you offer free returns and exchange. How else are you gonna build trust? But let me tell you that the best option that you have on this situation is just to refund the money and forget about the product. They can keep it. It's gonna be more expensive if they ship it back to you. Because what are you gonna do with that product when they return it to you? You're not gonna use it. You're not gonna sell it. You don't have a shipping process. And you're not gonna return it to China. That's gonna be extremely expensive. Just refund the money. You already lost that sale. Another thing that you must be aware is that people are not dumb. Every day more people understand what dropshipping is. And after seeing your ad, if they think that this product might come from China, they are just gonna go to AliExpress and buy it there for a fraction of the cost. Or they can also go to Amazon, because let me tell you that the manufacturer of that product or the supplier is already selling on Amazon. So you spend all this money on advertising and someone else is gonna get the sale. So who wins with dropshipping? Well, AliExpress wins. They get a commission on every sale. The Chinese manufacturer also wins because they get free sales reps and free advertising for their product. Facebook and TikTok wins because they get all this advertising revenue, and of course the gurus that sell you the course. And who loses? Well, you, the seller, and also the buyer that is getting a crappy product with a huge markup. Now, of course, this is all my own opinion and I am being extremely pessimist. But dropshipping might actually work if you do it right. To have a successful business, everybody needs to win. The supplier, the seller, and the buyer. To ensure that the buyer doesn't get scammed, you need to test the quality of the product. So you need to make a test order. Once you have the product in your hands and you determine that it's a quality product that you could suggest to your family, friends, and even use yourself, then you can move to the next step. Of course, it can take a whole month for you to receive this product, so that already limits you on the kinds of products that you will be able to sell. You won't be able to sell any crappy product because by the time you receive the product and are ready to sell it, the trend has already died or the market is already oversaturated. So you have to go for evergreen products, or at least evergreen categories. For example, everybody needs to cook and everybody needs knives. Let's say that you find an amazing knife on AliExpress. Now you speak with the manufacturer and establish a relationship. Make sure that the manufacturer is not suddenly going to stop making this product. And also make sure that they are not gonna change the quality, the materials, or anything else. An advantage of selling on an evergreen category is that you can offer complementary products. For example, you have the knives, and you can sell the knife holder. So you will be expanding your offerings. So when people click on your ad and they go to buy the knives, they might end up buying some other stuff, and that will increase the average revenue per user. Now, to go one step further, don't focus on making a store. Focus on making your own brand. Talk to the manufacturer. Ask them to put your logo on those knives. Now you will be able to sell it on Amazon and other retailers. Start with a small inventory. Talk to the manufacturer and negotiate an MOQ. Then you can grow from there. Of course, this is not gonna be dropshipping anymore because you're actually shipping the products and you're storing them. But you will have more quality control and you will have the chance of actually making a business that is going to last. Now, it doesn't matter what you do, you will always have to somehow promote your products. And if you don't wanna waste a lot of money in ads, watch this video where I show you how to go viral organically on TikTok. Thank you. I'm out.